Hello everyone.
What is it, Clara? Can't you see I'm trying to watch the telly here?
Since Evan and Elizabeth have been doing so well in school, we are going to go out to dinner at the Rainforest Cafe tonight.
Ugh. Rainforest Cafe. I hate that place.
William, you are going to go to Rainforest Cafe and you are going to like it.
I am so excited to go to Rainforest Cafe.
Me too.
William, if you do anything bad while we are at Rainforest Cafe, you will be grounded big time. Now let's go and get in the car. Okay everyone. We are at the Rainforest Cafe. Look at the menus and decide what you want to order.
I don't like anything on this stupid menu. The food here is horrible. I know. I'll say I'm using the bathroom and then I'll see if this place has anything good to offer. Clara, I am just going to use the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Okay, William.
Oh look, tiger animatronics. These are so cheap and stupid looking. I am going to destroy these just for fun. My animatronics are way better, after all. Ha 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 ha. Well. Here's an animatronic jaguar. I better destroy it too, don't you think? Ha 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 ha. Let's see if we can find other things to destroy. Ah, the gift shop. I'm going to burn everything in it so the children will have nothing to play with.
Meanwhile,
William sure is taking a long time to use the bathroom.
Maybe he fell in the toilet and can't get out.
He's probably just at the bar, drinking.
Attention everyone. All customers must evacuate the building immediately. The Rainforest Cafe gift shop is on fire.
There's only one person who could be behind this. William.
Haha, I think my work here is done. The gift shop and then the whole restaurant will burn, and I will never have to come here again.
Are you the man who set this place on fire?
No.
Are you also the man who destroyed Rainforest Cafe property with that axe over there?
No.
Then why were you carrying that axe before you ran into me? For burning and destroying the Rainforest Cafe, you are under arrest.
No.
Hello, William. It looks like you've gotten yourself into trouble yet again.
Why are you here?
We are here to punish you for destroying the Rainforest Cafe. For ruining our dinner and setting the place on fire, you are grounded for 1,578,490,218,374,834 years after you get out of prison.
Wah.
Quit your crying, William. You are acting like a baby. You are such a stupid and pathetic man. I can't believe I am even still married to you.
Thank you for watching.